until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Bryan County in southeastern Georgia, southeastern Bullitt County in southeastern Georgia, west central Effingham County in southeastern Georgia, northern Evans County in southeastern Georgia, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm 6 miles northwest of Hagen, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Prepare now for the following hazards: damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour, golf ball size hail. Some locations in the warning include Claxton, Hagen, Daisy, Neblos, Denmark, Pembroke, Bay, Stilson. Report hail, down trees, limbs, and power lines directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 1-888-383-2024. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for